How to get this to look like this. Hey, it's Dan Goodad here. I was trying to record this in the car with the car turned off so you couldn't hear the sound of the AC, but man, it's getting hot. So I decided, forget it. I'm just gonna turn the car on and you're just gonna have to hear the AC in the background. But I just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about my latest project. We have a shower head that we bought at Costco. We've been using it for a long time. I mean, maybe even a couple of years at this point. And we have never cleaned it off. It had a ton of mineral buildup on it and was a little bit ridiculous and disgusting. I decided it was time to clean it off and I wasn't quite sure how to do it or what to put on it. I did a search on ChatGPT and it was awesome. It gave me the full step-by-step instructions on how to do it. I'll share that in just a minute in the video. You can take a look at that. But what it says to do is take white distilled vinegar and soak the shower head in the vinegar for several hours, if not overnight, and that dissolves all the minerals that have built up. If you keep watching, I'm gonna take you through the process. You can see exactly how I did it and hopefully try it for yourself and see how incredible it is. I was absolutely amazed. It looks like a new shower head. I definitely suggest you try this. Don't put it off any longer. I put it off for way too long and it was super easy. Keep watching and I'll show you how to do it. Here's the search I did in ChatGPT. Feel free to push pause and follow along through each of these steps. And be sure to keep watching and I will show you each step in action.
First, you want to grab a Ziploc bag. I chose the quart size, or basically like the medium size, to make sure the shower head would fit. Next, you want to grab some white distilled vinegar. This is the kind we use, so I'll be sure to post a link in the description. All right, let's take a look at this shower head. Disgusting. Look how gross. Now you just want to pour some vinegar into the Ziploc bag. Make sure you pour enough so that you can fully submerge the shower head, or at least enough that it will soak across the front of the shower head when you have it in the bag, like this. So I have the long shower hose attached, so I was able to kind of hang it down to the bottom of the shower here. It was a little short, so I'm just going to put it up on a stool like this, just so that I can make sure that it can lay flat and fully soak the front of that shower head. If you don't have a long hose like I do, you can actually take a hair tie and just wrap the bag around the shower head and then wrap a hair tie around it to hold the bag in place, or even a rubber band would work. Now we're going to close this and just leave it for several hours to soak.
Okay, it's been several hours soaking. Let's take a look and see how well it worked. Okay, interesting. It's looking pretty good so far. Let's take it out of the bag and get a better look. We'll just take it out and let that vinegar kind of spill down the drain. Look at this. Sweet. Looks like it already got a bunch just from soaking. I'm going to now try to scrub some of it off with a brush to see if I can get it even cleaner. So you just want to grab the brush and scrub across the whole thing. That is definitely looking better. I'm just going to kind of rinse it off and then just keep scrubbing and get it as clean as possible. Man, it's looking so much better. So I'm just turning the faucet on now just to see if I can rinse it out a bit. You can already tell the sprayer is different. And this is crazy. There's these different modes, like massager modes, and I couldn't even get it to work for a long time because it was all jammed up with the minerals. And now it just works fine. You can just push on it and twist it and it will spray a little bit different pattern and it's working so much better. So far, I am absolutely amazed. Look how good this is. It's like new. So much better. I don't know about you, but this is like magic. So I'll post a link in the description to what I used. I'll post a link to the shower head. I might not be able to find the exact one that we have, but I'll post one that's pretty close. And I'll post a link to the type of vinegar that I used. I really hope you find this video helpful. I, again, am completely amazed and felt like I absolutely had to share this with you and help you through the process so you could do it yourself as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos from Dan Good Dad.